Welcome to the JLPT N4 Kanji series. In this lesson, we will learn some basic N4 kanji together. Kanji number 1.
写す
This kanji generally means copy or be photographed. The Onyomi reading are.
しゃ、じゃ
The Kunyomi reading are.
写す、写る、打つ
This kanji has two parts. Cover and bestow. Together they mean copy or be photographed. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
写す、写る、写真、複写、描写写す
To copy.
写る
To be photographed.
写真
Photograph.
複写
Copying.
描写
Depiction. kanji number 2.
冬
This kanji generally means winter. The Onyomi reading is.
冬
The Kunyomi reading is.
冬
This kanji has two parts, go and ice. Together they mean winter. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
冬休み、当時冬休み、
Winter vacation.
当時
Winter solstice. Kanji number 3.
切る
This kanji generally means cut or cut off. The Onyomi reading are.
切、割
The Kunyomi reading are.
切る、切る、切り
This kanji has two parts. Seven and knife. Together they mean cut or cut off. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
切れる、大切、切る、切って、親切、売り切れ。切れる、
To break.
大切、
Important.
切る、
To cut.
切って、
Stamp postage.
親切、
Kind.
売り切れ、
Sold out. Kanji number 4.
別れる、
This kanji generally means separate or branch off. The Onyomi reading is.
別、
The Kunyomi reading are.
別れる、分ける。
This kanji has three parts. Mouth, wrapping enclosure, and knife. Together they mean separate or branch off. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
別に、別人、別々、特別、分かれる、別冊。別に、
Not particularly.
別人、
Different person.
別々、
Separate.
特別、
Special.
分かれる、
To part, usually of people.
別冊、
Separate volume. 漢字 number 5.
力、
This kanji generally means power or strength. The Onyomi reading are.
力、力、力、
The Kunyomi reading is.
力。
This kanji has two parts, one and one. Together they mean power or strength. Let's move to the vocabulary section now.
入力、体力、全力、強力、馬力、助力。入力、
Input.
体力、
Stamina.
全力、
All one's power. Strength, energy, efforts.
強力、
Powerful.
馬力、
Horsepower.
助力、
Assistance.